Imagine an island paradise where turquoise waters lap gently against pristine white sand beaches. Palm trees sway in the warm breeze, their fronds rustling like whispers of secrets from a bygone era. This is Zanzibar, the Spice Island, a place where history and nature intertwine to create an experience that lingers long after the tan lines have faded. Zanzibar is an archipelago off the coast of Tanzania, steeped in a rich cultural heritage and renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty. From the bustling alleyways of Stone Town to the tranquil beaches of Nungwi, Zanzibar offers a sensory feast for every traveler. The aroma of cloves and cinnamon hangs heavy in the air, a testament to the island's spice trade legacy. The turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean invite you to dive in and explore vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. On land, lush tropical forests hide shy red colobus monkeys and a kaleidoscope of bird life. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or a cultural immersion, Zanzibar has something to offer everyone. Come, let us explore this enchanting island and discover the magic that awaits. Zanzibar's beaches are legendary, often gracing the covers of travel magazines. Fine white sand stretches as far as the eye can see, kissed by crystal-clear waters. Nungwi is renowned for its picture-perfect sunsets and lively atmosphere. On the east coast, Kendwa Beach offers a more secluded escape. Whether you choose Nungwi or Kendwa, Zanzibar's beaches will leave you breathless. Stepping into Stone Town, the historical heart of Zanzibar City, is like taking a step back in time. Narrow, winding alleyways lined with ancient buildings and bustling markets transport you to a bygone era. The scent of spices hangs heavy in the air, a reminder of the island's rich trading history. Stone Town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and for good reason. This labyrinthine city is a melting pot of cultures where Arab, Indian, African, and European influences blend seamlessly. Explore the bustling Jozani market where vendors hawk everything from fresh produce to colorful fabrics. Visit the House of Wonders, a former sultan's palace that now houses a museum showcasing Zanzibari history and culture. Don't miss the Old Fort, a 17th-century fortification that now hosts cultural events and performances. As you wander through the narrow streets, be sure to look up and admire the intricate balconies and carved wooden doors that adorn the buildings. Stone Town is best explored on foot, allowing you to truly soak up the atmosphere and discover hidden gems around every corner. Be sure to sample some street food as you explore. The aroma of grilled seafood and spices is simply irresistible. For those seeking adventure beneath the waves, Zanzibar offers some of the best diving and snorkeling in East Africa. Just off the northeastern coast of the island lies Mnemba Atoll, a protected marine reserve renowned for its pristine coral reefs and abundant marine life. Imagine yourself floating in crystal-clear waters, surrounded by a kaleidoscope of colors. Schools of brightly colored fish dart in and out of the coral, while graceful sea turtles glide effortlessly through the water. Mnemba Atoll is home to over 600 species of fish, making it a diver's paradise. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a first-timer, there's something for everyone at Mnemba Atoll. Numerous dive operators offer excursions to the atoll, providing all the necessary equipment and guidance. Even if you prefer to stay dry, snorkeling offers a fantastic opportunity to witness the underwater wonders of this marine reserve. As you explore the coral gardens, keep an eye out for dolphins, rays, and even whale sharks, which are known to visit the atoll during certain times of the year. A diving or snorkeling trip to Mnemba Atoll is an unforgettable experience that will stay with you long after you leave the island. Zanzibar's cuisine is a tantalizing fusion of flavors, reflecting the island's rich cultural heritage. Centuries of trade have brought spices, ingredients, and culinary traditions from across the globe, resulting in a unique and flavorful culinary landscape. Imagine yourself sitting down to a table laden with fragrant dishes, each one bursting with flavor. Start with uroho, a Zanzibari specialty consisting of a flavorful broth poured over potato fritters, mango, and other toppings. Sample pilau, a fragrant rice dish cooked with spices, meat, and vegetables. Of course, no trip to Zanzibar would be complete without indulging in the freshest seafood. Grilled octopus, lobster, and prawns are just a few of the delicacies on offer. For a truly authentic experience, head to the Forodani Gardens in Stone Town, where food stalls come alive each evening, offering a tantalizing array of local dishes. As you savor the flavors of Zanzibar, you'll discover that each bite tells a story of the island's rich history and cultural diversity. No trip to Zanzibar is complete without experiencing the romance of a traditional dhow cruise. These traditional wooden sailing boats with their distinctive triangular sails have been plying the waters around Zanzibar for centuries. Imagine yourself relaxing on the deck of a dhow, the gentle rocking of the boat lulling you into a state of tranquility. The sun warms your skin as you glide across the turquoise waters, a gentle breeze carrying the scent of salt and spices. Dhow cruises offer a unique perspective of the island, allowing you to admire the coastline from the water. You can choose from a variety of dhow cruise options, from short sunset cruises to full-day excursions. Some cruises include stops at secluded beaches where you can swim, snorkel, and soak up the sun. Others offer a romantic dinner under the stars, complete with fresh seafood and traditional Zanzibari music. Whether you're seeking a romantic escape, a fun-filled adventure, or simply a unique way to experience the beauty of Zanzibar, a dhow cruise is an experience not to be missed. Zanzibar's nickname, the Spice Island, is no accident. For centuries, the island has been renowned for its aromatic spices, which have perfumed kitchens and fueled trade routes around the world. Embark on a sensory journey through a spice farm, where you'll discover the origins of cloves, cinnamon, nutmeg, and other spices that have made Zanzibar famous. Learn about the cultivation, harvesting, and processing of these fragrant treasures. You'll even have the opportunity to sample fresh spices and purchase some to take home as souvenirs. To delve deeper into Zanzibari culture, attend a traditional Swahili dinner. These feasts are a celebration of Zanzibari cuisine and hospitality. You'll be treated to a multi-course meal featuring a variety of local dishes, accompanied by traditional music and dancing. From the aroma of spices to the rhythm of traditional music, Zanzibar's culture and traditions are sure to captivate your senses. Escape the beach for a day and venture into the heart of Zanzibar's interior, where you'll discover Jozani Forest, a sanctuary of biodiversity and home to the endangered Zanzibar red colobus monkey. Imagine yourself walking through a lush tropical forest, the air thick with humidity and the sounds of nature. Look up and you might spot a troop of red colobus monkeys swinging through the trees, their distinctive red fur a stark contrast to the green foliage. Jozani Forest is a haven for nature lovers, offering a glimpse into Zanzibar's unique ecosystem. In addition to the red colobus monkeys, the forest is home to a variety of other primate species, as well as birds, reptiles, and insects. Guided tours are available, offering insights into the flora and fauna of this special place. A visit to Jozani Forest is a must for anyone interested in experiencing the natural beauty of Zanzibar beyond its stunning beaches. Planning a trip to paradise? Here are a few practical tips to help you make the most of your Zanzibar adventure. Most nationalities require a visa to enter Tanzania, including Zanzibar. You can obtain a visa on arrival or apply for one online in advance. The Tanzanian shilling, TZS, is the official currency. US dollars are widely accepted, but it's advisable to have some local currency for smaller purchases. Consult your doctor about recommended vaccinations and malaria prophylaxis before traveling to Zanzibar. Taxis are readily available in Stone Town and other tourist areas. For longer distances, consider hiring a car or using local buses known as dalas. Zanzibar is a predominantly Muslim island. Dress modestly, especially when visiting religious sites. Bargaining is customary in markets and with some vendors. Be respectful and polite when negotiating prices. With a little planning and these helpful tips, you'll be well on your way to experiencing the magic of Zanzibar. Zanzibar is more than just a destination. It's a feeling, a sensory experience that stays with you long after you've returned home. From the moment you set foot on its powdery white sand beaches to the intoxicating aroma of spices that fills the air, Zanzibar captivates the soul. Whether you seek adventure in its underwater world, cultural immersion in the heart of Stone Town, or simply a place to unwind and soak up the sun, Zanzibar offers something for everyone. Let the rhythmic sway of palm trees and the gentle lapping of turquoise waters lull you into a state of pure relaxation. Discover the warmth of Zanzibari hospitality, the richness of its history, and the vibrant tapestry of its culture. Come, answer the call of the Spice Island and create memories that will last a lifetime. Zanzibar awaits, ready to share its magic with you.